Mixed quizzes covering a wide range of topics like current events, pop culture, and trivia, general knowledge. Who is the current president of the United States? Correct answer is Joe Biden. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Correct answer is Jupiter. What is the tallest mammal? Correct answer is giraffe. Who wrote the play Hamlet? Correct answer is William Shakespeare. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? The correct answer is avocado. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Correct answer is Mount Everest. What is the chemical symbol for oxygen? Correct answer is O. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series? Correct answer is J.K. Rowling. What is the smallest country in the world? Correct answer is Vatican City.